Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat can be useful if you no longer want to use the Bitmoji feature or if you want to change your Bitmoji avatar. And removing Bitmoji from your Snapchat allows you to customize your profile and app experience according to your preferences. Additionally, if you are concerned about privacy or data usage, removing Bitmoji can help reduce the amount of personal information shared on the platform. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Snapchat app on your device. Well, after that, here you can enter to your profile page at the top left corner. And then click settings here. After that, select Bitmoji option. Okay, so now to remove your Bitmoji, you can click Unlink My Bitmoji option here. And then click Remove. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.